It usually comes from necessity. And so if I need something, and that's when I'll draw the inspiration of how I could make that into something that fits my needs. Hi, my name is Ben from Woby Design, and I make things out of recycled skateboards. I was born and raised in Korea, and I lived in a small little tiny village. I feel like that's where I learned to be resourceful. I came to the US when I was 12, and I've been living in LA ever since. Because wood is so expensive, and I was looking for raw materials that's easy to access, as well as steady flow of raw materials, and I found broken skateboards to be one of the better materials to work with. Six years ago, I was doing community service at Habitat for Humanity and realized how much furniture is getting thrown away every single day. So I decided to look into woodworking, and instead of just gluing up a bunch of skateboards and chopping it away, I want to use it in a way that is not wasteful and get the most out of these skateboards. And I contacted local skate shops and got my hands on a few skateboards and started doing some experiments, and it's been 5 years now. So I decided to make the apple crate for the Solterra because I wanted to have Toby, which is my dog, inside the basket, as well as when I do grocery shopping or getting tacos. It's really nice to have hands-free and just keep it in the basket. Having this Ebike allows me to go anywhere I want without having to hit any traffic. And I could pass by all these cars and just get a cup of coffee or go get groceries or get some tacos, and it's so much more convenient.